The ingenious folding concept applied to the Loftbed stairs in this Japanese-style tiny home as a brilliant solution for maximizing space without compromising functionality. When not in use, the stairs can be neatly folded away, freeing up valuable floor space and enhancing the openness of the interior. This powerful design allows for the better circulation and more flexible living environment within the tiny footprint of the tiny home. Complementing this feature are built-in sliding cabinets strategically integrated into several wall sections. These cabinets are designed to blend seamlessly with the wall surface, creating a clean, minimalist aesthetic while providing ample hidden storage. The result is an interior that feels uncluttered and spacious, despite accommodating all the essentials of daily living. This layout ensures that the residents' personal items and necessities are securely and decently stored, while still leaving plenty of room for daily activities, relaxation, and social interaction. It's a perfect example of how Japanese spatial intelligence can turn even the smallest of home into a functional, beautiful, and livable space.